Hello everyone, welcome to the class. This is Mohan Raj, your trainer, and you're watching Genesis training videos. Today we have our next concept in number theory, that is how to find highest power of a factor in a given product. So we cannot go into the concept directly, we can go to the question and see how to solve this. So let us get into the question. Is the first question. Find the number of zeros at the end of 100 factorial. So to find the number of zeros, I need to find number of tens. How many tens are there in 100 factorial? 100 factorial means what? 1 into 2 into 3. So I'll be having 110 here, and then 20 will be there somewhere, and then 30 will be there. Till 100 we have multiplied, right? How many tens are there? If I casually ask this question, most of the people will say 10 tens are there. And some people will think again, they'll say one more 10 is there in 100. So 11 tens. But is it the actual number? Is it the actual number? So it is not the actual number. So what is the actual number? So we missed out many tens in between. How can I get a 10? There will be a 5 here, and this 2 and 5 will be multiplied to get one more 10. And there will be one more 5, that is 15 will have one more 5, and one more even number somewhere will give you one more 10. So 25 has 2 5s, 75 has 2 5s. 50 has 2 5s. So all these have to count. So what is the actual method? So what we can do is, we can first find the number of, first we have to understand 25 as 2 square, sorry, we are talking about 10, right? 10 is equal to 2 into 5. So we need to find the number of 2's and number of 5's in the 100 factorial. How will you do that? I can divide by 2 like this. So it is, and I'll tell you what we are doing exactly. Divide by 25. So in the 25, how many 2's are there? Means we have 12 2's. It is not division exactly. We have to find the number of 2's here. And here we have 2, 6, and we have 3, and then totally we have one more here. So how to find the number of 2's or powers of 2 in 100 factorial is, we have to add this number 50 plus 25, 75, 87, 93, 96, 97. So there are 97 2's are there in the 100 factorial. And how many 5's are there? Same way we can find 5, 20's are 5, 4's are. So further I cannot do. So there are 24 5's are there. But to make 100, 110, we need 1 2 and 1 5. But I have 24 5's and I have 97 2's, but I cannot use them. I can only take 24 from this. And I can tell there are 24 tens in this. That means in the 100 factorial, we have 24 tens. That means the highest power of 10 possible in 100 factorial is 10 power 24. So the same question can be asked as, what is the highest power of 10 in 100 factorial? So the answer is going to be same, 24. That means this number will have 24 zeros at the right end. That's the question. Find the number of zeros at the end of the 100 factorial product. That will be 24 zeros. So this is how we find the number of zeros, and the same question can be asked as, what is the highest power of 10? For 100 only, for 10 only we can talk about zeros, but other numbers, this is how they ask highest power of 10 in 100 factorial. Hope you understood this. Let us go to the next question. Find the number of zeros in the product of this expression. So we have to understand, here 10 power 1 is there, here 10 power 2 is there, 10 power 3 is there, till what number? The last number has how many tens? We have to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 power 10. So when we are multiplying, we need to make use of this formula. A power m into a power n is a power m plus n. Same way we have to add them. It's going to be 10 power 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus till last number 10. So what we have to do is, we have to add the sum of all the natural numbers from 1 to 10. So what is the formula for sum of n natural numbers starting from 1? N into n plus 1 by 2. Same way we are going to substitute n as 10 here. 10 into 11 by 2. So what we get is 2 1s are 2 5s are. So there are 55 tens. So the number of tens will be equal to number of zeros. So 10 power 55 means this product will end with 55 zeros. So let us go to the next question. Find the highest power of 7 that can exactly divide 777 factorial. So 777, so I have to divide by 7. I can go for 111 because 7 is a prime number. We cannot split into any other number, but for 10 we did it as 2 into 5, whereas this is directly a prime number. So 7, how many times we can think about? 7 ones are 7. I have 41 left. I can only go for 7 fives are 45. 7 fives are 35. So remaining 6 cannot be handled. So 7 ones are 7 twos are. So when we are counting the number of 7s, we have to count this, this and this. So it is 111 plus 15 is 126 and totally 127 7 are there. So highest power of 7 in 777 factorial is 127. Let's go to the next one. Find the highest power of 5 in 124 factorial. So 124 can be done as 5. 24 is 120. So I can go for 5 24s and I can go for 5 4s. So total number of 5 is 24 plus 4, 28. I can only have 28 5s in this. So highest power of 5 in the 124 factorial is 28. What is the highest power of 12 in 150 factorial? To find the actual number of 12, we should not go for directly 12. We should write it as a product of co-prime numbers first, 4 into 3. And I need to find the number of 4s and number of 3s. And also for 4, we cannot directly go for 4. We need to find the number of 2s because we might miss out a lot of 4s because of direct division by 4. So let us divide by 2. 2 75s are 2 37s are, and then I have 2 18s are, I have 2 9s are, and then 2 4s are, 2 2s are, and 2 1s. So we are going to count this way. 75 plus 37, 18, 9, 4, 2, 1. That's how we count. 70 plus 30 is 100. I can keep it as it is. And then one more 10 is there, 110. So, and I go for addition of the units now. 5 plus 7, 12, 30, 20, 29, 33, 36. So I can see 146 2s are there. That is equivalent to 43 4s. That's very simple. 73 4s, sorry. 73 4s. Now let us look at 3s. 3 50s are, 3 16s are, 3 5s are, and 3 1s are. So when I add this, I get 50 plus 16, 66, 71, 72. So there are 72 3s are there. Let me count again. 66 plus 6, 72. There are 72 3s and 73 4s. Obviously I cannot use all the 4s. One 4 has to be left out. So I can say 72 2 3s and 72 4s, which will give you 72 12s. So highest power of 12 in 150 factorial is actually 72. The answer is 72. So one last question in this. What is the highest power of 40 in 4000 factorial? So again 4000. I cannot go for directly 40. 40 should be seen as 2 cube into 5 power 1. So let's see how many 2's are there and how many 5's are there separately. So 2, 2000, and then 2000, 2 500. So it goes on 250, 125, and 62, 31, and 15. It goes on. So what I can understand is I have too many 2's. If I have too many 2's, obviously number of 8's will be very much more. So let us talk about 5's then better. 5 into 800, 5 into 160, and 5 into 5 3s are 15, 10 is there, so it's 30 only, 5 6 are and 5 1s are. So number of 5s, if I count, it's 800 plus 960 plus 990, 997 5s are there. I just have to understand whether I have more than 997 8s or not. So for that I can see 2000, 997 3s are, we have around 3000, but I get very much more than 2s. That means definitely I'll be having 997 8s, because 2s are more than 5000 we have. That means definitely I'll be having 3000 2s. So it will give you 1008 at least. So I just want 997. So definitely it will be there. So I can answer the highest power of 4000 will be 997. So that is the answer. Least of these two will be the better way to count. So that is the end of the video. So let us meet again in the next video where we are talking about finding HCF and LCM. So thank you.